Hi, it's Dr. Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd, and we're going to throw a series of questions at you as you start along this publishing path. Yesterday, I asked, is there a cost for you to possess the files? And that could be yes or no. And it could be a limitation on what files in the response, but you need to know. Next, ask, are you free to do whatever you want with those files when they come to you? All right, there could be a cost to do. Some people charge other amounts of money to roll into other spin-off items. Ask. Next, ask, can I print my book anywhere, or do I have to just print it with you? All right, can I print my book anywhere, or are you the sole printer? Some companies that you go with in the hybrids and the some of the people who identify them as self-publishers, and if it's an independent, that would be like a small press. If it's an outside you're working with, or, my druthers is to create your own independent press, is that you should be able to go other places. And I know I had a book that I needed to do a special run for a group I was speaking for. I needed an extra 1,000 books. And what I was able to do was to get permission to print that outside of what they were doing, and they didn't have a problem with it. So ask, always ask with that. And again, that they're within the book, how to avoid book publishing blunders, which I think y'all should have, is that you will find a huge amount of tips dealing with printing and working with those who do what's called manufacturing of books. All right, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll have another tip for you from the Book Shepherd. And hey, please share our videos with others who are in the publishing journey.